Hello everyone. Today, we will draw a monarch butterfly. Take a pencil and ruler and draw a big cross. Add 2 diagonal lines through the center. Draw 4 circles for the wings. Add 2 more diagonal lines at the sides. Draw the 4 wings. Draw the head, body, and tail. Draw the antennae, eyes, and pupils. Take a black marker to draw the clean lines and add details. Make one shape of the eyes. Add a knob to each antenna. Add some fur to the body. Draw spots in the wings and color the rest black. Wait a moment for the ink to dry and erase the pencil lines. We can color the butterfly brown, red, orange, and yellow. And our drawing is finished. Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.